Art has thrived in Japan throughout its long history, and one can feel that pulse still beating in the western city of Izumi. This city, located in southern Osaka, is in the middle of an artistic renaissance. During this experience, you'll have the unique opportunity to explore an artistic town by bicycle. You'll meet 3 artists, each one active in a different field. First, you'll meet an artist who has developed their own practice of scripture copying. This is a common part of monk's training, and guests can try this method for themselves by hand. Next, you'll cycle to the workshop of a furniture maker. This artist's motivation is to create handmade furniture to outlive the years of the tree it came from. Lastly, you'll visit a glassmaker. Their delicate and vivaciously colorful creations are made in the hope that the glass will interact with the senses. For those looking to have an immersive journey into art and emerge with a deeper understanding of Japanese aesthetics, join us in Izumi.